If you drive a manual G56 Dodge Ram, you know the factory shifter is a ticking time bomb. This 18-inch monster from Ohio Diesel Parts claims to solve that catastrophic failure point forever. And honestly, after looking at the build quality, I believe it. The notorious weak spot on the OEM shifter is that rubber damper or isolator, which often fails after just a few thousand miles, leaving you stranded. This replacement is the definition of over-engineering. Solid, hand-machined, TIG-welded 304 stainless steel. At a robust 5/8-inch diameter, flexing is simply not an option. They've eliminated the isolator entirely, meaning this thing will never break at the base like the factory unit. Now, the trade-off for that bulletproof reliability is that you might experience a little more noise or vibration transmitted into the cab, depending on your transmission setup. But for most Ram owners, that's a small price to pay for peace of mind. This specific model is the extra tall 18-inch bent lever, giving you that classic Jock or semi-truck feel, which is fantastic for leverage. But the real magic is hidden at the bottom. A solid 30-ounce 304 stainless steel weight welded right into the base. That mass is what allows for those smooth, effortless shifts, compensating beautifully for the lack of a damper. It's designed for the G56 transmission in 2006.5 through 2018 third-gen trucks, though 2006 owners need to verify those 1-inch center mounting holes. It accepts your factory M10 knob, and the installation is incredibly simple, taking about 15 minutes. If you want the ultimate in strength and reliability for your G56, built right here in the USA, this is the upgrade you need. It turns a known weak link into the strongest part of your drivetrain.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.